Okay guys, next update. Did some more work on the Ttrs today. Got an email back from Header Shield that everything is done and on its way back to me. So that's great news. Have another package on the way from iRose that should be here Monday. And then that's pretty much it, so I can get started on the turbo install. So tonight I was able to do a little bit more work and get the subframe cleaned, as well as the turbo off and the downpipe off. So I'll show you a little bit about how I did that, and shouldn't be long before everything's back together. Pretty excited. Okay, so here's everything off the car. The ECE dog bone, APR downpipe midpipes, the SRM turbo. Did confirm the SRM turbo is an actual Garrett center cartridge, which is nice. And it's still tight, so there's nothing wrong with it at all. All the wheels are good. Hoping I can sell it and recoup some money. I'll put a before picture or before video in of this, as well as me cleaning it. But I think it came out pretty nice. Okay, so I have taken the sway bar off so that way I can get rid of the EC dog bone mount. I'll be installing Unitronic dog bone mount. Gonna spray some degreaser on this, and let's see how clean we can get it. Just to give you an idea how crusty it is right now. And let's take a look under the car and show you everything I did. Okay, so to remove the turbo, there's the coolant feed, which I believe it's the feed is the top open port there. The turbo oil feed is the right port, the drain is the bottom, and then over here you can see I have the other coolant line capped off. And then to take it off, there's 6 11mm bolts, and then there's 2 flanges that hold everything in. And then, as you can see, I was able to leave the drive shaft in the car. I didn't have to take that off. I just removed this lower shield to give me a little bit more room. But pretty happy with how things are going. From the top, these are the brackets, and then the manifold just slides up. And because I removed the subframe, I was able to remove it from the bottom of the car. Everything was really easy to do in that aspect. So the next video I'll do should be me installing the turbo system, or maybe just unwrapping some of the stuff that I'm getting for the car, because I have quite a few things that I haven't opened up yet or shown on the channel. So maybe that's what I'll do next, but stay tuned guys, and if you can, subscribe, so that way I can show you everything that happens with the car.